Hello everyone, my name is Satya Prakash Maurya. Today we study about the some concepts of trigonometry. So first understand what is trigonometry. So trigonometry is derived from three Greek words. First is tri, second is gono, and third is metron. The meaning of tri is three, and the meaning of gono is side, and the meaning of metron is measurement. So, in trigonometry, we will discuss the relationship between angles and sides of this triangle. So, we use trigonometry in our basic life to calculate the height of mountains and buildings and other towers also. So, first, we have to understand what is right circular triangle, because in trigonometry we will only discuss about the right circular triangle. So, we have written this right circular triangle ACD. In this triangle, the angle C is 90 degree, and we have assumed this angle is theta. We also can assume angle theta as beta, phi, gamma, and many other things. But here we assume the angle theta. Now let's discuss about the sides of this triangle. So the side of triangle which is adjacent of this angle theta is called what? Base. Also it is denoted by B. And the side which is opposite of this angle theta. You see, theta is here and this is opposite side. Theta opposite side, this is called perpendicular, and the longest side of this triangle is called hypotenuse. Now also in this triangle we have assumed this angle theta and this angle 90. So this is also the right circular triangle because angle C is 90 degree. So here the side BC is opposite of angle theta. You see, this is opposite of angle theta. Is called perpendicular. What? Perpendicular. Also denoted by P. And the angle AC is side AC. AC is what? The adjacent of the angle theta is called base. Also denoted by B. And this is longest side of the triangle. So longest is called hypotenuse, denoted by H. So I think you have understood something about right circular triangle and the sides of this triangle. So let's go ahead to understand trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. First is sine, second is cos, third is tan, fourth is cosec, fifth is sec, and sixth is cot. Now let's understand sine theta. Sine theta is the ratio of side opposite of angle theta to the hypotenuse. So here opposite side is what? BC. Opposite side is what? BC. Also called perpendicular. And hypotenuse is what? AB. AB. So written as BC upon AB. BC is also written as P and AB is written as H. So this is written as P upon H. Now let's go ahead on cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side of this angle theta to hypotenuse. So adjacent side is what? AC and hypotenuse is what? AB. So written as AC. AC is denoted by B and AB is denoted by H. So this is completed. Now let's say tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of opposite side of this angle theta and adjacent of this angle theta. Opposite is what? BC and adjacent is AC. So written as BC upon AC. BC is what? P and AC is B. So what is this? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. You have understood? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Now, fourth is cosec theta. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side of this angle theta, written as AB upon BC. Also, this is equal to 1 upon sin theta because you have written there sin theta is called base upon hypotenuse, and this is what? Hypotenuse upon base. So cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, and sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side of angle theta, written as AB upon AC. So also sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Now sixth is cot theta. Cot theta is the ratio of adjacent side of angle theta to opposite side of angle theta. So written as AC upon BC. Also this is equal to opposite of tan theta, written as base upon perpendicular. Now that's something from my side. Thank you very much.